Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert dollars into euros on PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you were sent USD, but you can't transfer it to your bank because you need it to be in euros. How do you actually convert your USD into euros? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, you first want to reach the money page. And in order to do that, there's two ways. You can click on Manage Money and click on View Money Page, or you could actually go in the left-hand sidebar, click on Finance, and click on Money Page right here. Now, once you're here, you're going to see all your currencies. Next to your US dollar, click on Convert Currency, and then from here, you're going to change the to country to euros. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert your USD into euros. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.